Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. What we are discussing, ma'am? We are discussing our 9th class first chapter. What is the real number? In that we are completing exercise 1.3. In 1.4 we are discussing up to the already we have completed the up to 9th question number. Today we are discussing the our 10th question. Let's see what is the 10th question here. If a and b are the rational number, find the value of a and b in each of the following equation. What we have to do? We have to find the a of a and b. Whatever here in RHS we have a plus b root 6 number. This a plus b we have to a value and b value we have to find with the help of this expression. Okay. Let's see how can we find the value of a and b. This is your answer, ma. Let's see. This is your answer. Yes. Understand step by step, ma. First given that whatever given in the question, I am writing the similar that whatever given in the question, I am writing the same here. In first we have to take the LHS, ma. Okay. We have to take only LHS. LHS is equal to what is that, ma? Root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Okay. In the next step, what we have to do? We have to rationalize the denominator. Whatever denominator is there, we have to rationalize. What is mean by rationalize, ma? We have to multiply and divide with numerator with opposite sign. Okay, we have to take a multiply and divide with same numbers but opposite sign. Okay, what is the denominator, ma? Root 3 minus root 2. Now we have to multiply divide with root 3 plus root 2. Okay, whatever denominator is there, we are taking the same number but opposite sign is there. Okay, I am writing the opposite sign. Okay, this part we have to write the as it is, ma. Just extra is what is extra? Just we are multiply and divide with the numerator with opposite sign. Here minus is there, we are taking the plus, but we are taking the same denominator. Root 3 minus root 2 is there, nama. Just I am taking the same number but opposite sign is there. Root 3 minus root 2 is there, but we are taking the root 3 plus root 2. Okay, just multiply and divide with. Okay, on the next step, what we have to do? We have to write together. Okay, we have to multiply the numerators and denominators with the help of brackets. Okay, root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. I am writing similar here. And then come to the denominator, root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. I am writing here. Okay, just for in this step, just we have to write you have to write the numerators together and denominators together. Okay, after writing, can you see this? Root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2 means that this values is equal, nama. The whole value I am consider as x. This whole value I am consider as a x, means that it is in the form of x into x, means x into x is equals to x square, nama. Okay, x into x is equals to x square, means that this value can be written as root 3 plus root 2 whole square, because it have the same numbers and sign also same. Plus and plus is the number, means that the numbers is same and signs also same. Means that we can write in the form of this. Okay, according to this condition, x into x is equals to x square, means that root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2 can be written as root 3 plus 2 whole square. Up to that clear? In the numerator, in denominator we are using this formula, ma. Root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. Now root 3 plus root 2. It is in the form of this denominator expression in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, root 3 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 plus root 2. Okay, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Our expression in the form of LHS we have to convert into the RHS. What we have to convert? A square minus b square. What is a, ma? A is root 3. A means a square, nama, means root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square, according to this formula, ma. Okay, let's see what is the next minus. I am writing here minus. Okay, what is b square? What is b, ma? Root 2 whole square. b, nama, root 2 whole square. Okay, just I am converting to this expression to this expression with the help of this formula, ma. Okay, I think you understand this step, ma. Let's see the next step. Come to the numerator. What is that? Root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Our numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Our expression in the form of LHS we need to convert into the RHS. Okay, what we have to do? Just a square. A square in place of a we have root 3. In place of b we have root 2. Okay, just we have to convert in this form, means a square. Okay, what is a square? Root 3 square. Okay, plus b square plus I am writing what is b ma, root 2 whole square, okay, plus 2ab means 2 root 3 root 2 because 2ab nama, that's why 2 root 3 and root 2 because I am considering as a plus b whole square, okay, that's why in the numerator we are using this formula, okay. Here square and root get cancelled ma, in this step square and root get cancelled. How much left ma, 3 minus is as it is, here also square and root get cancelled, how much left, 2, okay. Denominator is completed. Let's solve the numerator. I am writing the same step again. What is that same step? We are solving the same step now. Let's see the second step. Root 2 square and root get cancelled, we get the 3 plus and square and root get cancelled, again we get 2, okay, plus 2ab, okay, 2ab. According to this formula, root a into root b is equals to under root a into b. Now that's similar to root a into b. Root a into root b means that under root a into b means 3 into 2. According to this formula, I am converting from this to this, okay. Come to the numerator, 3 minus 2 is 1, okay. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5. What is my 2 is as it is? 3 2s are 6, okay, this one. If a denominator is 1 ma, we cannot consider the 1. The value should be 2 plus 5 plus 2 root 2, okay. In the next step, we get the LHS. We get the LHS value is 5 plus 2 root 2. Now, let's compare the LHS and RHS. If you equate the LHS and RHS, after simplification, the LHS, what we get ma, 5 plus 2 root 2. In the next step, we have to equate the LHS and RHS because we have to find A value and B value now. That's why we are equating the LHS and RHS, okay. We get the LHS value is 5 plus 2 root 6 is equals to, we get in the question this value is given ma, 5 plus A plus B root 6, okay, A plus B root 6 nama. Okay, compare the LHS and RHS. In place of A, what we have 5 means that A value should be 5, okay. Compare the plus is there, root 6 is there. In place of B we have 2 means that A value should be 2, okay. Here by this process we are finding the A value and B value. First we have to simplify the LHS. After getting the value of LHS, we have to convert the LHS and RHS. By comparing we get the value of A and B, okay. I hope you understand the process. Let's see the second one answer. It is similar to first one. Let's see. First one we are simplifying now. What we get, my A value is 5 and B value is 2 we get. So let's see the second one. What is the second one? Root 5 plus root 3 is divided by root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equals to 5 minus A minus B root 15. Okay, this is take it as your homework ma. Take it is like your homework. Do it. If simplify it. If you not get answer, I will explain in the next class. First you have to try it. The first you have to do the rationalize the denominator with opposite sign, okay. Whatever denominator is there, just you have to multiply and divide the denominator with the opposite sign. After whatever formulas, whatever condition is there, that apply it, we get the, after getting the value of LHS, just compare with the LHS and RHS, you get the value of A and B. Just try it now, okay. I will explain in the next class if you not get the answer, okay. Let's see the 11th one. Find the square root of 11 plus 5 roots 30, okay. 11 plus 2 root 30. We have to find the square root of this value, okay. We have to find the square root of this value. Let's see. Find the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. We have to find the square root of this value. Whatever given in the question, just you have to write the first information, whatever given in the information. Whatever information given in the question, that information you have to write the first. Afterward, you have to simplify it, okay. Given that 11 plus 2 root 30 is given, nama. What we have to find? We have to find the square root of this value. The square root of 11 plus 2 root 30 is equals to square root, nama. That's why we are applying the square of this whole value, okay. Apply the square on this whole value because we need to find this value, okay. Just okay, let's see the, in this process we have to do the reverse now, okay. Let's see. 11 is there. 11 can be written as 5 plus 6 because 5 plus 6 again we get 11, okay. Just we have to split the reverse now, okay. 11 is there. 11 it can be written as 5 plus 6 because 5 plus 6 11, okay. When we add these two number we get the 11 number, okay. Plus is there. 2 I am writing as it is. In place of 30 we can write it as 5 into 6 ma, okay, because 5 6 are 30. We are doing the reverse process ma, okay. In place of 11 we are writing the 5 plus 6. When we add these two number we get the 11. Afterwards plus is as it is, 2 is as it is, okay. 30 can be written as 5 into 6 means 5 6 are 30. Up to that clear? Okay, on the next step I am applying the square and root, okay. On 5 I am applying the square. The whole root is as it is, okay. Whole root is as it is. Just I am converting the values of whatever values under root, that values we are converting, okay. The square, the whole root as it is, okay. First 5 is the number 5. On 5 we are applying the square and root. Okay. Why we are applying? Square and root get cancelled. Again we get 5 nama. Again we get 5. We are applying the square and root. Okay, we are applying square and root. When we cancel the both the number, we get the same now. Okay. Here also, here 6 is the number. I am applying the root and a square, because when we cancel the both the square and root always get cancelled nama. That's why we are adding is. That's why applying square and root. Okay, square and root we get the again 6 value. Okay, plus root. Okay, root A into B can be written as root A and root B according to the condition. Okay. Okay, my root according to this condition we are converting to up to this form now. According to this condition, root A into B can be written as root A into root B separated. Okay. According to this condition we are converting root A into B now. Root A into B can be written as root A into root B separate. Just why according to this condition we are converting. Okay. Can you see this value ma? This value is in the form of a plus b whole square na ma. It is in the form of RHS. Okay, RHS a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2a hai b. 2ab. It is our expression in the form of RHS. We are converting into the LHS. It is a reverse ma. Okay. Can be written a plus b whole square na means root 5 root 6 whole square. Root 5 root 6 whole square. Square and root. I hope you understand the condition. Just in this condition, this expression in the form of RHS, we need to convert into the LHS. In the system, we are doing the reverse ma. Okay, just we have to convert this form na ma. This whole expression can be written as a root 5 plus root 6 whole square. Okay, because we need to convert into the LHS na ma. Okay, what is a plus b whole square means a plus b whole square. Root 5 plus root 6 whole square. Here square and root get cancelled ma. Square and root gets cancelled. What is left? Root 5 plus root 6. The square, what we have to find? The square. Find the square root of this value na ma. After applying the square, what we get ma? After simplification, root 5 plus root 6. This is your answer. Okay, by this one we are completing our chapter. 11th one is completed. We get the value as a square root. Root 5 plus root 6. We get the square root of this value. We get root 5 plus root 6. Okay. Second one is your homework ma. If you get the answer, you try it first. If you not get the answer, I will explain the next class ma. Okay. Today's class is completed. Just you have to complete your notes till that and submit in the group ma. Okay. Thank you.